Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited guys kasi nakapag-sit down video na naman ako. For today guys, babalik tayo sa pagmi-makeup. I'm so excited. And by the way guys, for today's video, I will be featuring Mama Ann's eye brushes or eye essentials brushes niya. And this one guys, tumating to nung before kami nagstay in. Kaya hindi ko na siya nagawa ng videos. Alam ko marami na sa inyo ang nakakita na ng mga review nito. So I decided to just use it and give you my thoughts about it. By the way guys, for today's video, I decided to rock this fox eye makeup. I know guys, hindi ito perfect, pero I tried my best para gawin yung naging trending din na fox eye makeup. Before I will proceed with the eye makeup tutorial, I will just show you kung anong itsura ng eye essentials ni Mama Ann. So, basically guys, nung dumating siya, nasa packaging siya ng courier. Then next to that is this packaging. Nasa clear siya na cellophane. And then, sa loob is yung pouch. Yan guys. And meron din siyang pa-note dito sa labas. Instruction lang siya kung paano gagamitin and paano lilinisan yung mga brushes. So, babasahin ko yan every now and then para ma-remind ako kung paano ko mapanatiling maganda yung eye essentials brushes. So, yun guys. Basically, it is just a gold pouch na may zipper na rose gold yata ang kulay nito. And then, yung kanyang yung kanyang pa-buckle is rose gold din ang kulay. So guys, sa loob, meron tayong 10 eye brushes. Ipapakita ko siya isa-isa sa inyo guys. Nakalabas na yung iba sa kanilang mga cover kasi yun nga, ginamit ko na siya kanina. So, I have here the 10 eye essential brushes ni Mama Ann. The good thing about these eye essentials brushes ni Mama Ann is that meron siyang mga pangalan sa mga handles niya. So, na-appreciate ko talaga to guys kasi syempre yung mga hindi high-end or yung mga brushes na nabibili natin sa mga online stores, especially yung mga super mura, wala talaga siyang mga names sa handles like this one. This is called the Angle Shader Brush. Ito guys, nagamit ko din to kanina. Very useful to, especially if gagawa kayo ng foxy eye makeup kasi angled siya. So, yan guys, first brush. Then, the second one is this flat shader na brush. Ganito yung itsura niya guys. Basically, ganyan lang siya. Then, the next one is this rounded blender brush. Yan guys, rounded blender brush. And ganito yung itsura niya. Then, the fourth one is this. Ito, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, but I'm looking forward na gamitin siya. And this one is the Liner Brow Duo. So, basically, it is a spoolie and brow brush. So, dual-ended siya. And by the way, yung brush set ko na from Miss Bella, meron din akong ganito. Pero, I think ito mas maganda kasi mas, mas maliit yung brush niya. Ayan o. So, that's the fourth one. Then, the next one is this flat blender brush. Flat blender siya guys. So, ayan. Ganito naman yung itsura ng flat blender natin. Then, sixth na brush is this smudger brush. Ito nagamit ko din siya kanina guys. Super helpful nito to smudge our eye makeup. I'm so excited guys, as in. Kaya ginamit ko na siya agad nung bumalik na ako sa pag-makeup. Although medyo na ninibago ako guys kasi ilang months din ako hindi nakapag-practice ng aking makeup. So, sorry sa mga professional makeup artist dyan na nanonood. Sorry guys kasi hindi naman talaga ako professional makeup artist. I'm just a makeup junkie na mahilig mag-collect ng makeup and mga makeup tools. So, yun guys. For the seventh brush, this one is what they call the tapered blender brush. Ito guys, super excited ako dito kasi wala akong ganitong brush guys. I'm so excited to have this one and I think it's very useful talaga para i-blend yung ating eyeshadow para maging well-blended siyang tingnan. So, ito yung itsura niya guys. So, that's the seventh one. Eighth brush is called the shader brush. I think dalawa yung shader brush. Teka lang. Shader brush, dalawa ba kayo? Yeah, meron tayong flat shader brush. Medyo maliit siya na version, yung pinakita ko kanina, ayan. And we also have this shader brush na medyo may kalakihan naman siya compared sa flat shader brush. So, ayan guys. Yan yung ating shader brush. Then for the last two brushes, this one is what they call the pencil brush. Maganda to siya guys to line yung mga basta magagamit niyo to siya guys sa pag-line. So if you want to have that precise line na using eyeshadow, so this one is really useful, especially para sa atin mga beginners. Then, the last one is the crease brush. Ito din guys, super excited ako kasi ito siya guys, parang blender brush siya na pinaliit. So, kung gusto nyo i-blend yung mga sa sulok-sulok lang, sa may outer crease, so this is the best brush that we could use na mga beginners. So, this one is the crease brush. Ito na rin yung last brush sa set. So, that's it. So, basically, that's it, guys. Those are the 10 eye essential brushes of Mama Ann. And for the eye makeup tutorial na hindi ko sure kung successful kasi hindi ko pa na-preview yung mga previous clips. But hopefully, ma-appreciate nyo pa rin. Insert muna natin yung Fox Eyes makeup tutorial now. So that's it guys para sa ating Fox Eye makeup tutorial. I hope nagustuhan nyo yon. And guys, for my brief review of this Eye Essentials brushes ni Mama Ann, I really enjoyed using these brushes guys, and I'm looking forward na gamitin itong lahat sa mga susunod ko na mga makeup tutorial, kasi feeling ko parang nag-level up na rin ako, para na rin akong nagpapaka-professional. Just really hope guys na mag-last siya ng matagal sa akin, so I will do my best to preserve these brushes kasi of course isa to sa mga brushes ng mga makeup gurus na super sinusubaybayan ko. So I'm so excited to continue using these brushes, and if I will rate these brushes from 1 to 10, I will rate these brushes 8.5 out of 10 kasi medyo bawas lang konti kasi medyo may kamahalan din siya guys. Ilalagay ko lang pala yung link kung saan nyo siya mabibili online and kung magkano yung set nito. So yun lang guys for our video today. I hope na enjoy nyo tong video na to. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, so you will be updated sa aking mga future na uploads. So yun lang guys, see you on my next one. Bye!